Good morning, everyone. My name is Keandre Fortson. I'm a freshman here at Savannah State University. During the hurricane period, I traveled back to Dublin. I went home for about 4 days. Those difficulties during the hurricane put me in a difficult spot, but I did my work prior to the hurricane because it was recommended by my professor that I go ahead and start my work ahead of time just in case that the power goes out or something like that. So those difficulties that I faced over the hurricane while I was home in Dublin, the power did go out, but luckily I invested in a laptop and I was able to keep my assignments turned in on time. What I learned from this experience is that it's always important to stay on top of your work and never get too comfortable. It's important to stay productive at all times, and it's important to always stay on top of what you have to stay on top of. One quote out of the book is in chapter 1 when it says, don't get distracted. It's important to stay diligent and focused, because it's good, of course, me going home. I went home and I had fun. I went to my old church and everything, and I was busy most of the days that I was down there. But I had to make sure that my main goal for each day was to get my work done, because that comes first. So ultimately, my hurricane experience wasn't too bad. I definitely don't want to go through it again. But I definitely got my work done and stayed productive and learned that it's important to always stay ahead. All right, y'all take care.